All right, we are now sealing the pavers, and we use a regular Hudson sprayer. We put the sealer and joint stabilizer in here, and basically what we're going to do is we're going to flood the area so the sealer will go across the top of the pavers, down the side, and into the joints to help stabilize the sand. So what we'll do is we take and pump up our sprayer. We've already taken and blown off all the excess sand so that we don't blow sand out of the joints and get it all over the pavers and get it stuck. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and just flood the paver and right down into where it goes into the cracks. See how it goes right down over the top and right down into the cracks. That's going to basically seal the sand in there to keep it from blowing out if we ever need to blow the leaves off of it and stuff, and help stabilize the pavers themselves. And we just go right along. We're doing each one, making sure we get plenty in the grooves so that it stabilizes everything. And we're going to do the whole driveway. And usually you can get a bigger Hudson sprayer. We had an issue this morning with our taller one, so you don't have to bend over and do this. So usually you can stand up and just flood it out. But basically it goes on white. We use a Surebond product. I don't know if I can say that on the video or not, but anyway, we use it goes on white and dries clear, and you can kind of see how it dries. I think we've already showed you that. And we're going to go ahead and finish sealing it off, and when we're done, we will take a picture of the whole thing done. We'll talk at you later. Difference between the sealed and unsealed. So it really brings out the color. That's why we seal it, and helps protect it in case you get any oil or any dirt and stuff will come off really easily.